So I'm just walking out here on a snowy day to show you the VegoGarden raised bed that I have out here. VegoGarden has given us 2 raised beds to give away to people from this channel. We're going to give both of them to one person, so you'll automatically have a garden. We've got free seeds if you check out this video here, and you just get your garden bed, get your seeds, find a source for soil, and you'll have a garden just ready and made. If you haven't heard about what we're doing on our channel, I'll take just a moment to tell you. We're pushing really hard to try to get a crazy goal, 100,000 subscribers by January of 2027. So we'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe and like this video. And actually, there's a new feature called Hype. If you could hype this video too, it'd do a lot to help us out. And this video is sponsored by VegoGarden, so please do check them out too. We do have a link below where you can get one of these VegoGarden raised beds, as well as a discount code where you can get $10 off your purchase at VegoGarden. So do check that out. But here is that raised bed. You can see I still have some old tomato and pepper plants in it from the previous season. I just wanted to talk to you about it. To do so, I'm actually going to step over here to another raised bed of mine. You see how this wood is falling over. It's kind of rotted out. I used to have it screwed together, but it's all separating. This is the problem with wood beds. They only last for a relatively limited time. You get, I don't know, I mean, I probably got a good 8 or 9 years. In fact, I think I might have put this bed in right when we were starting as a YouTube channel. So that would have been now 9 years ago. So, I mean, I got some good use out of it, but, it's actually been kind of like this for a while. I tried to put an extra board in there and repair it, but it didn't ultimately work very well. And it's interesting. There's some odd tracks in here. Feel free to comment below if you know what all of them are, because there are a lot of different ones that I see in the snow here. But that is beside the point. So we've got the VegoGarden raised bed. Let me tell you a little bit about it. So first off, I'll start with what I would see as the biggest negative, which is, it is just a thin aluminum material, which means you can't like sit on it. And I know that's one of the advantages of a thicker wood bed, is the ability maybe to put your weight on it. This would bend if you do it. In fact, I think I kind of tried leaning a wheelbarrow when I was filling it with dirt on it, and I did get a little bit of a bend here. But that is really the only negative that I see. You see that I got the watering system set up here. It works extremely well and is made for this raised bed. And then, it has these actual panels that you put together. Pretty simple how you assemble them. I did do a video on putting together the bed, which you can see above here as well. And, it's pretty sturdy. Let me knock on it here. It's holding up well. Obviously, I've only had it for a year, but I don't see any places where it's like scratched up or anything's peeling away. I think it will be a good solid bed for a while. I know that the stuff I grew in here did very well last year. And I did do a video on how to fill this bed that you can see above. And I think it really, that combination worked well, and this will continue to work well into the future. So next Friday, we will be doing another giveaway video, and we will be naming the person who wins today's giveaway in that video. So go ahead and subscribe, stay tuned, watch on Friday, do like this video, and do comment and let us know, what you are thinking of growing in this garden. We'll pick one of you who comments on this video, and we'll send both of those garden beds to you. Check out the free seed giveaway and get some seeds, and you've got a ready-made garden. Thank you for stopping by. Good luck in the giveaway, and I look forward to growing with you.